Click on Custom Size. Input your ID card size measurements. Go to Elements and search for an abstract blob shape. Add a blob shape. Now, using this blob shape, we will create a layered abstract wave design. Here, we will input purple colors from deep to light to give it an aesthetic wavy look. Now, go to Elements, scroll down to Frame, open Frames, search for a circle. Add a circle frame with a border, place it at the center. Change the border color. Go to Elements. Search for a purple gradient circle. Add a purple sphere. Click on Edit and open Filters. Apply the rose filter effect. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate and add these elements more. After this, go to Photos. We will add an image. You can use your employee photo. Adjust its position to the frame. Go to Text, add a heading. Type your employee name. We will choose the Anton font. Change the font size to 12 pixels. Place it below the frame. Duplicate the text. Add position. We'll choose the Overpass regular font. Change the size to 10 pixels. Place it below the name. Now, add ID text. Choose the Overpass extra bold font. Change the font size to 5 pixels. Similarly, add phone and email text. Now, add details of the employee. Choose the Overpass regular font. Now, add a barcode below the details. Add the company logo and name on the top left corner. Change its color to white. Select all elements of the wavy layer. Paste it to the second page. Now, flip all blobs and place them at the bottom one by one. Similarly, copy the purple spheres and place them on the second page. Now, add a heading. Type Terms and Conditions. Choose the Anton font. Change the font size to 12. Adjust its position. Now, add your company terms and conditions. Again, add a heading text. Type your signature. Choose the Overpass regular font. Change the font size to 6 pixels. Add your employee digital signature. Adjust its position. Now we will add the join and expired date. Change the font to Overpass Extra Bold. Font size to 5 pixels. Add the company logo and name on the bottom right corner. Change its color to white. Our ID card design is ready. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.